How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you're new, welcome as well. My name is Josh Guerrero. I'm a realtor here at the Luevanos Group with eXp Realty, your 562 realtor. And today I'm in the beautiful city of Downey at this gorgeous remodeled property, guys. Before I tell you about this property, hit that like and subscribe button, guys, so you don't miss out on all the homes we post every single week all across our channel, guys. We do it all over LA and Orange County. You don't want to miss these homes. If you do want to see any of these homes, guys, all my contact information is below in the description. Go ahead and hit me up. This house, guys, right next to Rio Hondo Golf Course, Northwest Downey, beautifully remodeled house. Guys, I'm standing right now in the beautiful open concept here, which leads back to your pool and a pool house in the rear. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, long driveway on the side there. You got a 2-car garage attached. Pool home as well. Beautiful loft, master bedroom upstairs. This home was very, very well designed, guys, in a good neighborhood here in Downey. Downey Unified is one of the top school districts here in Southern California as well. I'm born and raised in Downey, so I went to all the schools here in Downey. Very, very good school district here, guys. Let's come take a look at this property. right, everybody, thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this property. Once again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to see any of these properties on our channel, hit me up. All my contact information is below. See you guys on the next one.